Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about, can quantum tech help you live to 120? The future of health and longevity. What if the future of health isn't hidden in a pill, but in physics? Quantum physics, the science that once explained atoms, is now unlocking ways to live longer, detect diseases earlier, and heal faster than ever before. What is quantum tech? Quantum technology works on the tiniest scale, atoms and particles, where the usual rules of science don't apply. These particles can be in many states at once, react instantly over distances, and hold massive amounts of information. Sounds strange? It is, but it's also powerful. How quantum tech meets health. Now imagine using that power for health. Quantum sensors could detect diseases like cancer before any symptoms appear. Quantum computers could simulate the human body to discover better treatments, faster. And quantum AI could tailor medical advice based on your exact biology. The future of longevity. Scientists are already working on using quantum simulations to slow aging, repair cells, and prevent chronic illness. Imagine being 100 and still healthy enough to go hiking or travel the world. This is the future we may live to see, if we're ready for it. What can we do today? You don't need to understand quantum mechanics to benefit from it, but you can start by protecting your health today, with clean food, movement, and deep rest, so that when quantum medicine arrives, you'll be here to enjoy it. Would you trust a diagnosis from a quantum computer? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed wellness information and tips. Thank you for watching.